Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel for another informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix cannot verify AirPods. So guys, when you try to connect your AirPods to your iPhone, you'll get this message on your iPhone that cannot verify AirPods. So guys, this message is for those who are trying to connect a clone or a non-genuine AirPods with their iPhones. So guys, basically Apple has introduced a new feature in which you will be able to verify your AirPods whether they are genuine or not. So guys, there is no need to worry if you are trying to connect your AirPods and you get this message on your iPhone. Still you will be able to connect your non-genuine or clone AirPods to your iPhone. So guys, if you still want to connect your AirPods that are non-genuine, you can connect your AirPods to your iPhone and you can enjoy them with your iPhone. So guys, you will have to simply open settings, and from here tap on Bluetooth, and from here you will have to tap on your AirPods. So guys, wait for some seconds. So guys, here you still get a message that cannot verify AirPods because your AirPods are non-genuine. So guys, if you're still facing this problem, you can easily fix it with simply tapping on connect anyway. So guys, tap on connect anyway and your AirPods will be connected with your iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you have liked this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.